As you can see here, Bob, this thing is basically straight out of the factory still. It has been outside very minimal, stored inside at all times. I mean, you can see just water spots from where they keep it cleaned up. There's no dirt even really on the frame or anything. Terminals aren't even hooked up. Plastic is still brand new. No weathering of tires because it has been stored in a controlled temperature. This is a very pristine car. As you can see, seats have not really even been set in. So my name is Kyle Shank with Marshall Motors. If you have some questions, Bob, continue just to email me, but I'll get this sent over to you. And hope you enjoyed the short video. It's an extremely beautiful car. And it's ready to be on the road and have somebody enjoy it. So thank you.